Hello. So we have a set of data here, but we want to split these names into first name and second name. What you do, type the first name here, that is Oliver from here. Type the second name or the second names in this column. After that, come here in first name and press down Ctrl and E, send. So we have the first names the way they are there. Even here, Ctrl and E. So we've been able to split the names. Even agent ID, this one is agent 17. Press down Ctrl and E, and we are able to split these names. Combining them, you press down, you will type the names again here. Again, Ctrl and E, you are able to recombine those names. Thanks for watching. Let's wait for another video.